how to fix Skrill verification code not received. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go to your phone settings. Now right here, you just want to search for the app itself directly. So we're going to search for Skrill. Click on it to open it up. Now right here, make sure cellular data is turned on and also background app refresh is turned on. Now you can go back here to your phone settings, and this time you want to search for iPhone and find the iPhone storage. You will just scroll down until you see Skrill. So I'm going to click on CO. Here I am going to sort it by name. So I'm going to sort it by name and go all the way down to C, P. Okay, so I am able to find Skrill here. You want to click on offload the app. Once you offload the app, then you will click on reinstall app. That should fix any issues. And if you're still not receiving your code, make sure that you are looking at the correct email address, or if you're using your mobile phone number, make sure it is linked to the correct mobile phone number. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.